Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If we've never met before, my name is Chelsea and I make new videos weekly on fashion, beauty, and travel. Today's video is going to be a beauty haul, makeup, skincare, etc. All of the things I've recently received in PR. I'm always super thankful when companies send me products to share. So if you want to see what I've recently received, go ahead and keep watching. So first up, I received this really generous mailer from Garnier, and they sent this in this adorable bandeau like duffel bag. This whole mailer is kind of themed around healthy living and the start of the year and fitness goals and products that will kind of work into your gym health and wellness routine. So that includes skincare, removing makeup, taking care of your hair, all of that stuff. So I'm going to pull things out at random, starting with this. This is a water bottle that coordinates with the duffel bag. So from Garnier, I have the Pure Clean Dry Shampoo. This has no silicones and no visible residue. This is definitely something I will use. I cannot live without dry shampoo, and I definitely always look for something that's affordable and readily available. So this says it will deliver an instant fresh feel, and it has instant oil absorption. Next up is a cleanser by Garnier. This is the Refreshing Facial Cleanser with aloe juice. No parabens, dyes, silicones, or sulfates. It looks like Garnier is really starting to step up using clean ingredients and more natural extracts in their stuff. And this is a vegan formula, no animal-derived ingredients or byproducts. And this is the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist. I love facial mist, and this is so exciting that Garnier has one. This one is made with rose water. I'm just going to use it right now. It has a soft, gentle, rosy scent, maybe with like a hint of cucumber. So this is also a vegan formula, 99% naturally derived. Next up, I have the Micellar Makeup Removing Towelettes. These aren't my favorite, but they definitely do the trick. Ooh, this looks new. This is the Garnier Super Purifying Charcoal Sheet Mask. It's supposed to minimize the look of pores, purify, and refresh. I'm looking forward to trying that. Then we've got a gym towel. Lastly, I have a muscle tank that says Resting Gym Face. Definitely gonna wear that to my next berries class. So a huge thank you to the team at Garnier for hooking me up. I'm really excited to try all the new kind of more sustainable and naturally focused products. Next up, I received a really generous package from Nyx Cosmetics. I love Nyx because they're affordable, but they're high quality, cruelty-free makeup, and you can find them pretty much everywhere these days. They used to only be available at Ulta and beauty supply stores, but now they're everywhere. Target, CVS, all that. First up in the box is this mascara by Nyx. I've never heard of this. This is the Worth the Hype Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. It's supposed to give you bold, fuller, and thicker lashes. So that looks nice. I have so many mascaras open at the moment. I really need to focus on those before opening a new one. So if you guys have ever watched any of my videos in the past, I love the soft matte lip creams. They're kind of an OG liquid lipstick. They're very soft, pillowy, moussey on the lips, and they don't ever fully set, but they are long wearing. They will transfer a little bit, but for the most part, the color will stick around and you can kind of touch up anywhere that it's, you know, kind of faded or gone patchy, and they don't overly dry out the lips. So we have a ton of new shades of the soft matte lip cream that I've never heard of before. Cape Town, San Francisco, I definitely got to keep that one, Cabo, Montreal, Cyprus. So a ton of these kind of like peachy, nudie, you know, very trendy kind of colors. More of the soft matte lip creams. We have Beijing, Dubai, Shanghai, Kyoto, and Toulouse. Sounds a lot like the stamps in my passport at the moment. So again, tons of like nudie, beige, wearable colors. And they also included a ton of the soft matte lip cream metallics. And I've never tried these. I'm not like super into the metallic lip trend, so I might toss these in a giveaway. Of course, NYX always has a good selection of statement colors as well. So big thank you to the team at NYX for sending that over. Next up, I have this gorgeous mailer from NO7. So I received this over the holidays. This was the 2017 limited edition holiday collection. It was priced at $60 and you get a ton of products. And I wanted to share this nonetheless because I think you can get all these products individually still. First up, I have the Beautiful Skin Hot Cloth Cleanser by NO7. I love any kind of muslin cloth, cream, or oil, or cleansing balm cleanser. I just feel like it's really nourishing and great for my sensitive skin. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. It says it's created to provide tailored skin nutrition for healthy looking, bright and beautiful skin. Enjoy the luxury of a spa facial in your own home. The combination of this rich indulgent cleanser and the gentle exfoliating muslin cloth removes dead skin cells and daily grime whilst stimulating circulation, leaving your skin deeply clean, soft and radiant. Next up is the beautiful Skin Refreshing Toner. This is for normal to dry skin. It's supposed to refresh, hydrate and energize your skin. This is the beautiful Skin Oil-Free Eye Makeup Remover. I like this. It's like almost like a little travel size. Yeah, it's 100 ml, so this is definitely travel friendly. We have two creams here, a day cream and a night cream. This is from the Protect and Perfect Intense range. The day cream actually has SPF 30 in it, and they are both hypoallergenic. This is the Skin Illuminator by No7. It's for natural looking radiance and a beautiful glow. You can use this mixed in with your regular foundation for added luminosity or lightly applied as a highlighter to your cheek and brow bones. Next up is a lip gloss. This is the most glittery lip gloss I've ever seen. This is in the shade Sparkling Rose. It's a high shine lip gloss for a luxurious moisturizing finish that glides on lips easily for high shine in just one coat. That is so pretty. That would make a nice lip topper, I think. And then we have the No7 Exceptional Definition Nutrient-Enriched Mascara. I believe this is in the shade Black. This kit was exclusive to Walgreens, so if you can still find it, maybe you can find it on clearance. I'm not too sure. But keep an eye out for these products from No7. If you're not familiar with the range, you can find it at Walgreens. No7, if you've never heard of it before, is one of the UK's leading beauty brands, and they've been around since 1935. I haven't tried too much of their skincare, but I really do love No7's makeup. Their bronzer, highlighting pen, and blushes specifically. So definitely a brand to keep your eye out for. Really good stuff, and I'm excited to try more of their skincare. Next up, I have some stuff from L'Oreal, and this is all about getting that glow. I have a whole bunch of new products from the Lumi range, starting with the Lumi Glotion, and I've been hearing about this stuff everywhere. But I have 4 shades here, so I'm definitely going to keep the fair glow and then toss the rest in a giveaway. But these are a natural glow enhancer. I love the name Glotion. I think it's really cute. Here is the fair shade on my hand. Really, really slick. Wow, as you can see, that little speck of product went a really long way. So it says it's supposed to instantly hydrate and luminize for an all-over fresh, healthy, naked skin glow. This kind of reminds me a little bit of the Glow Cream by Herborian. I'll have to compare the two head to head to see how they differ, but this is a great drugstore option if you're looking for something for an all-over glow. Next up is the True Match Lumi Shimmerista. This is a Illuminate, Highlight, and Strobe Powder. So we have the shades Sunlight and Moonlight, and I can tell you this is probably going to be way too dark for my skin. So I'll try this one and let you guys know what I think, but I think I'll toss that one in a giveaway. I'll be honest, this is a little bit intimidating because it is a loose highlight and these things kind of have the tendency to go everywhere. So I'll try this out and let you guys know. Next up are the True Match Lumi Glow Nude Palettes, and I have 2 of them here. This one's in the shade Sun Kissed and this one is in the shade Moon Kissed. And it looks like generally this one's going to be the lighter one for, you know, fair to medium skin tone, and this will be for medium to deep. They're supposed to instantly capture light for a multi-dimensional glow. I'm sure you could use them as eyeshadows as well, but I've heard kind of mixed things on these so far. Last up are these, and I'm most excited for these. They are a glow boosting drop, and we have the shade Daybreak and Golden Hour. So again, I'm going to take the lighter of the 2. This is already separated a little bit because it's been sitting around for so long in my collection, but you want to shake it up so the product is fully incorporated, but it has this dropper, just like the Cover FX drops, and you can kind of disperse as much as you need for your look. There is 1 drop of Daybreak on my hand. Wow, that is really, really pretty. You guys seeing that? That looks amazing. So big thank you to the team at L'Oreal. I'm looking forward to getting my glow on. Next up, I have some products from Derma E, and they sent over a couple different mailers. First up is a hydrating duo. This is the hydrating cleanser with hyaluronic acid and the hydrating night cream with hyaluronic acid. So if you've never heard of Derma E before, they are a great, clean, affordable beauty brand. You can find their products at Whole Foods, Ulta, Target, I think. And they're great. They're cruelty-free, GMO-free, gluten-free, soy-free. They use recyclable packaging, and they're vegan. So it's a great ethical brand to shop. Their products are really great for sensitive skin, and they have stuff for oily skin, mature skin, dry skin, so just something for everybody. Because I suffer from occasional eczema on my face, I love a great hydrating cleanser, something that's not gonna flare up my skin or kind of irritate the dry patches. And this cream, I think I've tried this before. It's a really, really thick, nourishing night cream. So that's the first mailer. They also sent over the hydrating facial wipes, and I had no idea that Derma E did facial wipes. You get 25 towelettes in a pack, and they are biodegradable. How awesome is that? I don't think many makeup wipes are biodegradable, so that's a great thing to offer. I don't use makeup wipes too often, but I love that these are biodegradable and they're very, very hydrating, so they're gonna be nice and gentle on my skin. And then last up from Derma E, they actually recently launched these single-use masks. And these are great because they're travel friendly, they're low risk. If you just want to try a mask formula out but you're not sure you want to buy the full-size container, try these out. This is the Derma E, oh, I love this mask. This is the Purifying 2-in-1 charcoal mask. Comes in this like single-use packet, and this is a great one for detoxifying your skin, unclogging those pores. If you like glam glow, you've got to try this mask. This is the Derma E Vitamin C Brightening Clay Mask with turmeric and kale. Never tried this one. It's supposed to brighten, it's got antioxidants, and it's supposed to help with the anti-aging process and will support collagen health. Lastly is the Firming Magnetic Clay Mask with adzuki beans and spearmint. So this mask is supposed to be firming, lifting, and smoothing. If you're looking for a natural skincare brand that's also on the affordable side, I can't recommend Derma E enough. Okay, last up, I wanted to share something I received from L'Occitane. They actually sent me their holiday advent calendar, which I use and I can't recommend enough. You know, obviously you can't get it now because it's no longer the holiday season, but I would definitely get that next year because it had 25 days of gifts, and they were all like travel size minis of hand creams, fragrances, face creams, pretty much everything, and it gives you a great sampling of what L'Occitane has to offer. They also sent over this, and this is a decadent, gorgeous, gourmand perfume. This is the Terre de Lumière. It is the Eau de Parfum, and it's the gold edition. This is a fragrance that's inspired by the golden hour, you know, that magical, warm, sunlit hour before sunset. Here is the bottle. This is the most gorgeous perfume bottle. It's very, very slim and kind of just feels great to the touch. This smells so good. I've been wearing this perfume nonstop. I'm kind of funny with perfume. Some days I'm really into like the woodsy, you know, oriental kind of spicy scents, and then some days I'm kind of like a flower bomb girl. If you like gourmand scents but something that's a little more interesting and not so sickly sweet, I mean, don't get me wrong, this is definitely a gourmand scent, but it's sophisticated. So the scent of this is definitely honey, lavender, jasmine, vanilla. It's not like as sickly sweet as like a Prada candy because the lavender note really brings it down a notch. So it is a gourmand scent, but it has that little kick of floral. If you like Flower Bomb, I think you'll like this. If you have a gift card to spend at L'Occitane, you can't go wrong with this perfume. Try a sample, try it in store. It smells delicious, expensive, French. I've definitely been in love with this fragrance lately, so you have to go smell this next time you're close to a L'Occitane boutique. Alright you guys, so that's about it for today's haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll link all the products mentioned down below for your shopping convenience. I've been doing quite a few beauty hauls on my channel lately, so if you can't get enough, check out the playlist down below. I'll have more videos queued up for you to watch and get some more shopping inspo. So thank you again for watching today's video. Please hit the video with a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!